What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be cooking my first steak in the big boy semi truck. Honestly, I never cooked a steak before, so this is gonna be my first time I'm here at Target. I hope it's buzzing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a chef, y'all. I know how to cook, but like I said, I haven't cooked a steak before, so this could be good or bad. I think it's gonna be pretty good. We're gonna cook it inside the semi. So yeah, guys, I gotta come to Walmart. No, not Walmart, Target, to get some supplies, a cutting board, my butter, my garlic, just, those ingredients you need to not make a steak, but, cook a steak. So we're here at Target. Let's go inside. In Texas, in Dallas, Texas. It's pretty nice. There was a nice sunset right now as I was driving over here, but it's getting dark. It's getting late, so let's go to Target. Okay, I'm in the shopping. And what do you call this item? Not exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, I think they're over here. Let's see, yep. Okay, cutting board. $12. Yeah, this works. We got a cool little knife. Now it's time to look for our steak and get some ingredients. All right, so I'm here with the steaks, and I don't know what to get, to be honest. Like, I see, like, the more pounds, the more the price. I don't know if I should get like the most expensive one or just I do want to get a ribeye steak though. Yeah, I'll see which one I get. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one right here. Still need butter. And what was the other one? Rosemary, yeah. On the butter. Now I just gotta look for the rosemary. I don't think they're in stock here at this Target, but I'll see if I'm able to replace it with something else. All right, y'all, so I wasn't able to find the organic rosemary, but I was able to find the rosemary and leaves. I'm not sure what, like, powder. It's not powdered. It's like some bits of it. I'm gonna use that for the ingredients. Also had to get some avocado. Yeah. Also had to get more eggs. Paper towels. I'll grab these. All right, y'all. It's time to get to cooking. I'm excited for steak. It's funny because I just went in there for like the ingredients, the cutting board, some, silverware. And I came out with like cereal, eggs. Okay, so I'm back in the truck. Yeah, I thought about putting this back just because it is an organic rosemary, but we'll try it out. So this is what I got: the garlic, butter, some seasonings, guac. It looked good, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Put it in the little cooler. The avocado oil. So let's go ahead and set up our little kitchen. Hold up. Bring out this bad boy. Gotta put the windows down a bit. There we go. Holy, so this is a beef ribeye thick steak. All that blood. Hey, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, look, I'm excited, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Cooking the first steak in this big semi. Yeah, y'all. Just cut myself. Okay. Cod oil. Got our black pepper, salt. Some salt. Okay. Let's do that side. Should have bought sea salt. I'm gonna get every inch seasoned up, bro. Ooh, look at all that fat. Yes, sir. Bro, this pan might be a little bit too small for the steak. Wow. So next step, cook our steak. I already dried it, seasoned it. Yeah, I think it's good enough to go in there. Bro, this is disturbing me, bro. Bro, that mug barely fit, bro. Oh, shoot. Got the windows down. So once both sides are like cooked, I'm gonna add my garlic, my butter. Yo, I just know this is gonna buzz, bro. I just know this is gonna be bomb. But let's go ahead and check if it's ready for a flip. Bro. Está chisqueando, bro. Still gotta get cooked, huh? I just flipped it right now. I ain't gonna lie, it smells bomb. I don't know if I put too much of this rosemary, but it smells bomb. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna let the steak sit for about 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and slice them up to some bits, some pieces. And yeah, we're gonna try this steak, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more cooking inside the semi truck, leave a like, and yeah, follow if you guys are new. I'm excited, y'all. It's probably well done or medium rare. I'm just hoping it's bomb. But where's my? Okay, here we go. The guac. The first piece I'm gonna try it without guac, and then I'm gonna try it with the guac. So. Oh, bro, it's like all dripping. I mean, if it needs more, I don't know if I could put it back though. I'm probably just gonna eat it like that, bro, to be honest. This is what we got, y'all. Damn, bro. Hold up. Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh my gosh, y'all. Wait, we're gonna try this right now. Let's go. Let's go. Cheers. Bro, hold up, bro. Nah. Bro, what? Yo. Oh my God. This is my first ever steak. I wish y'all could try it. I'm not even glazing. I'm not capping. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Bro, that's actually bomb. Hold up. It's like perfect. The juice is there. It's juicy. I'm surprised with myself. Oh yeah. Gotta get a good piece right here. Look at that smoke. Look at that smoke. Thank you, Jesus. Yo, I wish my family was here, bro. I wish they were here so they could try this. Oh my God. Yo, I'm about to FaceTime my parents. And I got some orange cream. I'm about to try this too. This is my first time trying poppin'. People are a fan of it because I don't know if it's like the sugar, if it's... Oh, okay, yeah. So no BS, no fake stuff. So let's go ahead and try this. Taste test. It's pretty good. I can't wait to go back home so I could cook some for my parents, for my family. If you guys want to pull up, slide through, comment down below. So security just showed up right now. It was like, yo, you gotta go. But luckily I was able to finish my steak. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna clean up right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more cooking of me cooking in the semi-truck, let me know in the comments. It's something that I'm looking forward to. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna clean up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. So I originally had in mind of getting canes for dinner, but nah, I'm glad I got the steak for dinner. 10 out of 10, y'all.